Want to work smarter, not harder? Chatgpt is the key. In this video, I'll show you how to use Chatgpt in 8 unexpected ways to improve your productivity and get more done. Number 1, creating content. Sometimes creating high quality content can be a challenging task, especially when you are running short of ideas or inspiration. Well, Chatgpt is here. Chatgpt can help you brainstorm fresh and creative ideas for your next video script, social media post, or even full-blown book. Plus, it can offer valuable insights and suggestions on how to structure your content, what keywords to use, and how to make it more engaging. With Chatgpt, you can not only generate content ideas, but also refine them with greater accuracy and speed. Number 2, summarization and simplification. Chatgpt's summarization feature can save you time and energy by converting lengthy articles or videos into concise and easy to understand summaries. This can be especially useful when you need to go through a lot of materials quickly. For example, let's say you have to read a 20-page report on the impact of climate change on agriculture, but you only have 30 minutes to spare. By inputting the text into Chatgpt, it can provide you with a condensed summary that highlights the key points, allowing you to grasp the main ideas quickly. But that's not all. Chatgpt can also help simplify complex language, making it easier for anyone to understand. If you come across a piece of text that is too complex, simply enter it into Chatgpt and it will simplify the language into more accessible terms. Number 3, feedback. Imagine having a trusted work assistant by your side that can save you hours of reading through documents and reports. That's what Chatgpt can do. It can help you evaluate reports, find mistakes, and suggest feedback. And for teachers, it's especially useful when it comes to grading papers and providing feedback. By entering written assignments into Chatgpt, it can grade the papers and provide feedback on why it gave a particular grade. Mind-blowing, right? This can help you provide more accurate and detailed guidance to your students, improving the learning experience for everyone involved. Number 4, writing emails. Do you ever find yourself stuck staring at a blank screen trying to come up with the perfect words for an important email? If so, Chatgpt is about to become your new best friend. With Chatgpt, you can input your thoughts and it can expand on them and offer suggestions to make them even better. Let's say you need to send an email to your team regarding an upcoming meeting. Instead of spending hours trying to craft the perfect message, simply input the main points into Chatgpt. And in no time, it will generate a well-structured, concise, and professional email that effectively communicates the necessary information to your team members. It's a game changer. Number 5, personalized recommendations. Chatgpt can provide personalized recommendations for a wide range of topics, from books to movies to products. This can save you time and effort in searching for the right options and help you find new things that you may enjoy. Let's say you are an avid science fiction reader looking for your next book. Simply input your favorite authors and novels into Chatgpt and it will generate a list of recommendations just for you, allowing you to discover new and exciting reads that you may have otherwise missed. So let Chatgpt do the work for you and enjoy the things you love without the hustle of searching. Number 6, translation. Chatgpt's translation feature can help you understand and communicate with people who speak different languages. From emails to social media posts, Chatgpt can accurately translate text from one language to another, making it easier for you to understand and respond accordingly. For example, let's say you receive an important email from a business partner in Dubai written in Arabic. You may feel overwhelmed and unsure of how to respond. But with Chatgpt, you can easily input the text and receive an accurate translation in English or any other language. This enables you to understand the message and respond confidently without the need for a human translator. So whether you are traveling abroad or communicating with international colleagues, let Chatgpt be your go-to translator. Number 7, planning events. Chatgpt can help you plan events by providing suggestions for venues, activities, and accommodations. By inputting your preferences and criteria into Chatgpt, it can generate a list of options that meet your needs and are appropriate for your group. For example, if you're planning a team building retreat, just type the relevant details such as group size, location preferences, and budget. Chatgpt will suggest suitable destinations, accommodation options, and activities that cater to your team's interests and needs. With Chatgpt, planning events has never been easier. Number 8, image description. Are you someone who loves visual content but sometimes finds it hard to analyze the images? With Chatgpt, you can input the link of any image and it can describe it for you in vivid detail. This can be helpful for anyone who wants to gain a better understanding of the visual content and get valuable context for it. Let's say you are a content creator and you have just uploaded a stunning image of sheep grazing on a grassy hill. Instead of leaving your audience guessing about the details, input the link of the image into Chatgpt and it can generate a description that beautifully captures the image's essence, such as this one. This image depicts a herd of white sheep grazing on a lush green field with rolling hills in the background. The sheep are scattered throughout the field, with some closer to the camera and others further away, and so forth. How cool is that? Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone looking for ways to optimize your daily routine, Chatgpt is a valuable tool that can help you achieve your goals efficiently. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more content. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.